Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your MacBook Pro actually uses a Magsafe connector and that Mac OS is updated. This prevents power negotiation errors. Next, clean the port and the Magsafe plug. Dust or a case edge blocks contact and causes heat. Once done, hold the Magsafe adapter near the port and let the magnet center it. You should feel a gentle snap. Make sure it sits flush and the LED indicates charging. Do not force alignment because that risks bending pins. You should plug the charger into a properly grounded outlet first. A loose socket creates intermittent charging and may damage the adapter. Once connected, visually inspect the cable for frays and confirm the adapter isn't excessively hot. Mild warmth is normal under load. Then attach the Magsafe to the MacBook and watch the LED. Amber means charging, green means full. Make sure the system settings shows battery receiving charge and that the percentage climbs over a few minutes. You finish by ensuring the connection is secure and then closing the lid or using your MacBook as needed. To disconnect, pull the Magsafe connector itself, not the cable. If charging fails, first reboot and retry because software or power management quirks often resolve on restart. If that doesn't help, reset the SMC or power management on older models following Apple's steps. And if the LED stays off, swap to a known good adapter. Defective cables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.